Alright, I'm starting recording.
You have one more life, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm back in with you.
Oh. Yeah. Right in front of us is the guy in the bunker and the other guy. Right,
I see him.
He's got a little wooden piece. You see his head?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's another guy going to the side. Yeah, I know. We know about him. Oh, alright. We just can't do nothing about it because the second we step off the side, then we're fucked. Really? Yeah. He's watching the one side we can get to. So let's go right.
Yeah, you want to switch right?
I went right, then the base shot me. Fuck no matter what. Yeah, I mean if we had tires we could do this, but we can't. I say. When you're hitting the wood and dropping down.
It's dropping like right in front of them. Oh, he's reloading. Damn it, none of us are fucking gonna hit him.
You're telling me, nigga? Hot. You're telling me? Isn't it October?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Why is it so fucking hot?
I am disappointed in all of us. Get it your frying pan.
Yes.
Did you tell him he was out because you bopped him on the head?
Careful, there's snipers in the bushes. Yeah, I know.
And if we can just walk casually, and they didn't hit you, but I'm over here walking.
JP and the other guy went for JP and the
Paulo?
Paul and JP already went ahead. We were giving them cover and fire and we got shot. They're still over there, I think. Come on, we need your fire.
You got a live left?
Huh?
You got a life left?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move.
I'm going behind the tires. Huh? I'm going to go behind the tires. You do that. I gotta walk with you. Go. Move all the way to the right. They can't see us from here.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. We got all the way over there.
Get out of the bushes. This way. Go, go. Oh, game's over, game's over.